Today I'm going to share with you 5 online businesses that you can start while staying at home. And we're going to start right now. What's up everyone, this is Rifat Abu Hassan. In my channel, I talk about online entrepreneurship, making money online and generating passive income. So if this is the first time for you on my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I hope you guys are doing well during this difficult time of the COVID-19 pandemic, which forced a lot of people to be away from their jobs and stay at home. The situation we are in, you guys, is not normal. Lots of people who stopped going to their jobs and workplaces actually lost their jobs because their business places actually shut down. And for any business to shut down, it will take a long time before they recover. Therefore, many people are forced to do 2 options, either to find a new job or to develop a skill that pays money and help them to do business online. So if you are like me, staying at home during this difficult time, and by the way, I want you to put in the comments down below which country you're watching this video from, and if you are staying at home currently due to the situation. Hopefully you're staying optionally though. So if you are like me and many people in the world who are staying at home during this difficult time, or maybe you have thought of starting an online business or tried in the past but you didn't figure it out or didn't really give it the time to and focus to succeed, then you guys, this is your ideal time to start. And remember the quote by Albert Einstein: in the middle of every crisis lies great opportunities. So guys, if you watch this video till the end, I will give you a chance to get my free starter's guide to start and succeed in online business, but only if you watch this video till the end. And definitely hit that thumbs up for learning awesome things today. Now, without further ado, let's jump into those 5 online businesses to start while staying at home. Number 1, affiliate marketing. This is my favorite business model, and basically it's what I do myself as an online entrepreneur. I also recommend this for you because it's such an easy thing to start with. And if you don't know what's affiliate marketing, it's basically recommending other people's products and services for commissions on sales that's generated from your recommendation. So you can basically pick a product that you like and make a video or a review on. And if anyone makes a purchase from your review, you will get commission. And there are many websites, you guys, that offer tons of products. And I have some examples for that in my starter's guide ebook that you will get. Number 2, starting a YouTube channel. I think this is the best time to start a YouTube channel, you guys. Do you know why? Because this is the time where most of the people around the world are quarantined at home. And do you know what the majority of them do? Watch YouTube. So this is a great chance for video creators to have their videos watched more and more and more. And therefore they can grow their channel faster by increasing their watch time. This is also the best time to make money using YouTube, you guys, because when you grow your channel, that means having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watching hours during the last 90 days, you will have the chance to monetize your channel, you guys, and allow other businesses to run ads on your videos. And when that starts to happen, you will be paid ad revenue by Google. And the more views you got, the more money you can make. And I want to tell you guys that in times of need for money like this time, if you take this seriously, you guys, and upload videos and that has an impact and influence on people, it could be something that you are passionate about or something that you love or something that you know can help people. If you do this on a consistent basis, you can really make a living from doing this. Additionally, you guys, you can monetize your channel in different ways and use it in conjunction with affiliate marketing that we talked about, and recommend products or integrate with other business models like digital courses and freelancing that we will gonna talk about shortly. Remember, you guys, that video content is the most consumable form of information online, because basically people can connect to videos more than text or still images. So there are emotions and feelings involved with videos. So video content is here to stay, and it will stay for a long time, you guys. And it is one of the best businesses to start in 2020, and you want to take advantage of this. Number 3, graphic and web designing. Remember, guys, that you are not the only one starting an online business. In fact, these few months, there will be tons of people around the world who are doing the same thing that you do because of this global crisis. And here lies the chance, you guys, if you develop graphic and web design skills. Because all of these people starting their online business, they will need your help to help them design their websites or their logos. And how you can develop such a skill, you guys? Simple. There is a website called Udemy.com, which is a website that offers courses for everything that you can imagine, you guys. So you can go there and take a course on graphic designing for about $10 or $20 and start learning these skills. Another free option is this platform, YouTube. There are many tutorials that you can find and you can follow that can teach you how to do this exactly. The bottom line here is to develop a skill that will allow you to start a business in graphic and web designing. And then you can sell your service that has a high demand to people who need them. Number 4, selling digital products. I put this at the end of the video because it is the least easy to do. But you guys, this is a billion-dollar industry. People are making millions of dollars annually selling their own products. Yes, you have to put a lot of work and time developing these courses. But the beauty of this is that once you are set and start making sales, it's going to be all passive income for you. You put the course once and generate incomes from each sale. Now, you still can do a course if you have some knowledge and passion for something that you think that can help people. So to do this, you guys, you can go to a website called Teachable.com, which is a website that you can create your courses for free. So you can open an account and then you can start creating your course and start selling. The other site that you can sell your courses on is Udemy, the same website that we talked about just a few minutes back. The advantage with Udemy is that they will market your course, you guys, and sell it for you. So you have an advantage here of marketing. But the drawback with Udemy, you guys, is that they can put your course on sale anytime, and someone can go there and get it for a very cheap price. So just be aware of that. Finally, number 5, become a freelancer. One of the best ways to make money online is to do freelance work. So to become a freelancer, you guys, you should have enough knowledge that you can go and help people with their business. So people would hire you to do specific jobs for them and get paid. So the best way to do this, you guys, is to sign up with one of the many freelance websites out there, where you can find people who need someone like you to do their jobs. This can be something like writing articles, managing a blog, designing logos, social media management, video editing, and language translation. So if you have some decent knowledge, you guys, about something similar to those, you can sign up with those websites and become a freelancer. And I have talked about some good freelance websites in a previous video that you can find on the screen, on the link that will appear on the screen here. Now, since you have completed watching this video, guys, you can have my free ebook, A Starter's Guide to Start and Succeed in Online Business. Click the link for the book that you will find in the description below, and I will send it to your email right away. So that's what I have for you today, guys. I hope that you get great value from this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up because it really helped the video, and also share this video with your friends and family and your other people so that they can have the same value as you did. This is Rafat Abu Hassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.